Head is technically off. This weekend I kind of fixed it. I kind of almost fix it. I start to kind of fix it. So if you want to keep watching, do it. I forgot one. I forgot two. Head is technically off. Alright, there's no way I'm picking that up out of here. I left the intake on, so now I gotta disconnect the fuel line. So technically the head's off today. Just wanna get it up over this way. That ain't happening. Wow. What am I caught on over here? Oh, this plastic timing cover. I'm really held up on that. I'll take the head off if I can get the timing cover off. Really? One lousy little 10mm. Just as I suspected, between cylinder 1 and 2, complete blowout of the head gasket. Pretty cool. And these heads are insanely heavy on these cars. Pretty cool.